Trying to fix a leaky toilet on an offset flange can be super frustrating, but yeah, there are some newer wax products that might actually help you out. So, first off, make sure your flange is clean and level, because even the best wax ring won't seal properly if it's off kilter. You can grab an extension wax ring, which is thicker and designed for those offset or slightly raised flanges. Another tip is to check the flange itself isn't cracked or broken. Sometimes that's the problem, not the wax. When you install the wax ring, press down firmly but don't rock the toilet side to side since that can break the seal. Also, tighten the bolts evenly on both sides so the pressure is balanced. Too tight on one side can cause leaks. If you're worried about wax rings, there are wax-free rubber gaskets now that some people swear by. They're easier to install and less messy. Don't forget to test for leaks by flushing several times and watching for water pooling around the base. And finally, before you put everything back together, double check that your water supply line and shutoff valve aren't leaking, because sometimes what looks like a toilet leak is actually from there. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with toilet leaks on offset flanges is using a standard wax ring that's way too thin or not meant for offsets, which just won't seal right. Switching to an extension wax ring fixes that easily. Another common issue is not securing the toilet bolts evenly, causing a wobbly toilet and broken seals. Just make sure you tighten bolts little by little and balance the pressure. Last thing is forgetting to inspect the flange itself. If it's damaged or corroded, no wax product will save you, so replace or repair your flange before setting up your toilet again. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making projects way less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get new clients without all the usual hassle of finding work on your own.